Hey guys, my name is Coral Jade and today I'm going to teach you how to do our basic helicopter. So this move is part of a 3-part series. We're doing our basic helicopter, then our single-handed helicopter, and then we're going to do what I like to call a vertical helicopter, which is just our helicopter above our head. So to do this move, what we want to do is, when we have the hoop behind our back, we are grabbing with our palm facing up and we're doing 1.5 rotations. So that's 1, 2, that's your full rotation, and then 3 with the other half. And then we're grabbing it with our next hand, palm facing up, and doing the same again. 1, 2, 3. So that's 1.5 rotations again. So when we're doing it nice and smoothly, we're having our fingers kind of loose, so we don't want to be really stiff so it looks like this. What we want is nice fluid movement, so when we're coming to the end here, our hand is in a pretty awkward position. Our hand can't move any further, but as you're getting to that position, you're grabbing with your next hand. Same with behind our backs. Behind our back, our hand is in a pretty awkward position again, and we're grabbing palm up and bringing it to the front. And the whole time it is just in our fingers like this, nice and loose, not stiff at all. You want to go quite fast with this move because it will create a bit of momentum and that will keep the hoop nice and horizontal. So that's it, that's our basic helicopter. Our next video will be our single-handed helicopter. But it is preferred if you learn this basic helicopter first, as it is a lot easier than the single-handed one. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.